Hey, in today's episode, we're going to talk to you about how to think strategically, something all leaders need to know how to do. Let's do this. Hey, if you're an executive, a manager, or a team leader, you have to know how to think strategically. The problem is, a lot of people don't have a system to help them think strategically. But I have a system that was taught to me by a mentor that I've used for decades in order to think strategically. Now, in a nutshell, strategic thought is about understanding big picture insights and then seeing ways that you can leverage those insights to accomplish your goals. The problem for many people is that you're immersed in day-to-day tasks that prevent you from taking a step back and seeing the big picture. So here's a 5-step process that you can use to overcome that and think strategically. Step number 1, collect all the data that you can that relates to this initiative. This data can come from internal sources, blog posts, newspaper articles, competitive reports, you name it, but get all the data that you can. Step 2, carve out some quiet time. Now, at a minimum, this should be a 3-hour chunk, but if you have a bigger initiative to do, it may be a series of 3-hour chunks. Step 3, grab a big sheet of paper, not letter size or legal size, but as big as possible. Start writing down the information from your articles, reports, blog posts, everything. Group the information into categories as you go along. These categories will reveal themselves to you as you write things down. They might be categories like business background, customer insights, competitive landscape, industry threats, or any other category. Again, the categories will come to you as you start writing the information down on the pad. Also, don't be afraid to draw charts, graphs, or diagrams as part of this exercise. Step 4, connect the dots. In other words, start looking for patterns or insights in all of the information you collected. On the corner of your pad, start jotting down ideas that pop into your head that can help you accomplish your goal. These ideas should come to you naturally as you write down all the data. What happens is that by writing down all of the information and seeing how it fits together, you're able to connect the dots in a way you hadn't been able to before. By the end, you'll have anywhere from 5 to 20 big ideas or strategies that can help you accomplish your goals. Step 5, narrow down those big ideas to the 3 or 4 that you think are most likely to work, and then start the process of developing an executive plan to turn those strategies into reality. It's a simple process. In fact, it's deceptively simple, but by seeing everything out on the pad, you're able to connect the dots and figure out big ideas that will drive you to think strategically and then ultimately grow your business. Now, if you're interested in learning more about leadership in business, click on this video right here. It'll take you to another video just like this one. My name is Jamie Turner. I'm an author, a professor, and a management consultant, and I'll catch you next time.